Here, I actually get some fruit out of them. So far, I've not had luck, and I have a theory why. Hey, welcome back to A Warrior's Garden. It's good to have you back. It's an exciting day. Me and my grandson are going to show you some really cool stuff. Yesterday morning, we came out here to a big surprise, and he was really happy about it, and I was really happy about it. This is actually the next morning after, and I've got even a bigger surprise. So first, let's show you what me and my grandson found, and then I'll show you what I found this morning. Let's do it. Are you excited to go see the dragon fruit flowers?
I want to see it.
We want to go see it?
I like to see our phone.
Okay, let's go see the dragon fruit flowers. Let's go see the dragon fruit flowers. Come on. Is this exciting?
Yes.
I'm excited too.
To eat.
Okay, let's go see. Whoa, right. Look at over there, all those flowers. Let's go see them. Wow, look at that, buddy. You like it? Yeah. Yeah, you want me to take a picture with you of the flowers?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. So they look pretty good. Can you see them back there? They look pretty dang good. I'm hoping this year will be the year I actually get some fruit out of them. So far, I've not had luck. So yesterday you saw that the dragon fruit had bloomed, and you can see those blooms over there. Well, now it's bloomed more. Look at that. And this one's bloomed over here, and I have another bloom here. So that's altogether, that's one, going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blooms. That's fantastic. I am shocked and amazed how beautiful that is. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Sorry, birdies. By the way, I planted a banana tree. That's going to be a whole nother subject. But look at those flowers. Look at that. Wow. I mean, really, wow. Aren't those beautiful? These ones have already faded, closed up. I've tried hand pollinating yet again. We'll see if I have any luck, because so far I have not had luck getting fruit. And I have a theory why I've had no luck getting fruit. And here's my theory. So my dragon fruit stand is consisting of 4 per stand. Actually, this one's only 3 because I lost one. And over here is the same thing, 3. So 6 dragon fruit. Well, I bought those suckers from Home Depot. And my guess is, buying them from Home Depot, I may have gotten screwed. So, try not to badmouth. However, my guess is, even though the tag said self-pollinating red flesh dragon fruit, it may not be the case, because these flowers don't look like red flesh dragon fruit. They look more like a yellow flesh one. And if they're not self-pollinating, I'll bet you those cuttings I got from Home Depot were all from the same plant that had been cut and thrown into pots and put out on the sales floor by whatever nursery they buy from, or their own, or whatever. And so I may have 6 of the same blasted dragon fruit plant, which means if it's not self-pollinating, it can't pollinate itself, even if there's 6 separate plants, which really sucks. Means, I mean, there is a golden side to it. I get to buy more dragon fruit and raise them. Also means I got to wait a long time for them to freaking bloom so I can have dragon fruit of my own. So I guess we shall see. Maybe I will be wrong. Maybe I was successful this year. The fact I have so many blooms makes me optimistic, but we shall see. So I hope you like that. I hope I have success with these little guys. Well, they're not very little, they're actually huge, which is pretty cool. And I hope I get fruit from them, so we'll see. Wish me the best, and I'll give you another update once I know. Warrior Garden out. Stay safe. Stay gardening. Remember, it's better to be a warrior in the garden than a gardener in a war. Talk to you later.